Welcome to Your Shell. My name is Ginge, or for now, Consultant Ginge. I've had so many people address me and privately message me, which I appreciate, about moving to Siem Reap, Cambodia. So what I've been doing now is looking at some different property options, from high value to cheaper things. These videos are not just to show you what's available here in beautiful Siem Reap, the kingdom, but also I want you to question what you do in your life, your environment, where your money goes, what sort of society you live in, everything. I've been here in Siem Reap, and normally this channel is about creating simplistic happiness or giving you my genuine opinion, thoughts, or to try and make some smiles dressed as an orangutan. But ever since talking to some of you online who are looking to move to Siem Reap or abroad, and a lot of you say the same question, so here's going to be a video series of properties here in Siem Reap for you to see how much you pay in your home country, what you can get here. Myself, moving from Oxfordshire, England, one of the most expensive parts to live in the UK, and after being here, I live on, rent-wise, $200 a month. Utilities, $60 to $80. So I have a higher, better quality of life here than I do in the UK. So enjoy the video. Hopefully you like the property. If you would like the exact property, or for me to sort out whether it's visas, accommodation, go to Facebook or Instagram, or email me at outyourshell@gmail.com. we'll sort out. I want you to come out your shell, try something new, come here, find that simplistic happiness. I'm going to enjoy finishing my walk. So enjoy. So today, Jim Lipsor, hello, welcome to Your Shell. My name's Ginge. I am meeting Bella again, the amazing real estate agent who's been helping me out and helping you out find properties to live here in Siem Reap. We're at a brand new location, very central to Siem Reap. This is near a Westgate school. It's very close to Asia Market. Amazing place. First of all, front parking, white boats through here. Bella's beautiful pink boats here. So let's see what's it like inside, how much, if it's going to be worth your time, effort, and is it good enough to live.
So this apartment of living here is
Oh, I do love that.
yes.
Oh, that's heaven.
So cool. Yeah.
It looks like you're in one of the Angkorian temples.
Yes,
This little paradise.
But like I can say the perfect design. Yeah, you can see like the temple design.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have also the steam sauna. Yes.
Oh wow.
Steam sauna here.
Oh, nice,
yes.
good.
Yes.
So if you want to sweat out in the hot Siem Reap, very nice. Cool. You don't turn them, it's okay. Oh, look at that, beautiful. I need one of these. Very nice, lovely. Oh, cool, oh, cool. We've just gone up to the 3rd floor, and
Yes.
already the community.
It's Rustic.
Nice, very nice. Have a seating area outside, very cool.
Yes.
Let's take my shoes off. Lovely. You're first, Bella.
Okay, and this is the type of property. It's 1 bedroom, and here is the living area.
Oh, nice.
Yes, and the
Very
set of
nice.
the sofa. It's like comfortable for living.
Good, yeah.
And we have like set up the kitchen supply.
I love
You can see
this.
that, yes.
I love that wooden raw
Yes,
steel.
yes, yeah. Because the design like by the wooden like that. Yes.
It's got a, I think it's like a New York rusticy, that sort of rooftop converted living. That's very cool. Yeah, I like that style. Rustic suits my Sawa way.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we have the cable TV.
Yes.
Yes, and cable TV, and we have the air conditioner and
Good.
the living area.
Good, we need it.
Yes.
In
okay.
the heat of Siem Reap, we all need our aircon.
And really nice.
Oh, wow.
Comfortable for living, like 1 bedroom. Yes, very nice.
Beautiful.
And then yeah, in the balcony.
Oh.
What?
I will,
Yes. Yes.
I will take them in a second.
Yeah.
I've not seen a place where I could wake up, get out of bed, sit down, pretend to be smart. I could pretend to read a book. I'm too lazy, but very nice.
Yeah.
And this is 450.
50.
Very cool, very cool. And of course, go outside, make your coffee. You've got a nice table, somewhere to wash your hanging. Location, very nice. You are centre. You don't need a motorbike here. You can literally walk everywhere. Absolutely lovely. Would you both live here?
Yes.
Would you live here? You like?
Yes, I
Yeah,
like. Oh.
good place. Good place.
You
Yeah,
know
like,
that this morning I bring new client come to stay here already.
See?
He
People
said
want
that really highly recommend for this place because it really close like in the center.
Yeah, everything you need is around you here. If you guys remember, I was a model photos for this place. Yeah, so rose apple garden and stuff.
Really nice.
So my photos are everywhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, beautiful bed, great sort of natural rusticness to it.
Yes.
Yeah, really, and $4.50 to be in the centre and the swimming pool. Every day, wake up, go for a swim. Lovely, lovely. When you finish in the pool, come upstairs, top balcony for a nice little gym, cycling bikes, some it's assisted running, which is more pressuring. Bad, not bad. And for your legs, your chest, an all-in-one piece lat pull-down machine. Very nice. So again, for electricity, they give you free water. You've got your Wi-Fi set up here. I'm sure the Wi-Fi is good as well. Yeah, and the idea that you can get up, go to this beautiful little enclosed, the lighting is just pure natural, nice chairs to sit on, relax, get your exercise in, move your body, and then you're in city centre. So you don't even need a tuk-tuk or a motorbike, just go for a little walk on the shops. Happy days. There you go. So if you are an alcoholic, you can go to Pub Street for 5 minutes, walk and get drunk. There you go. Lovely. So again, links are down below. If you want to come here, stay here. Great place. Check it out. Bella's contact's going to be down below. You can message me if you want to contact her as well. Yeah, come and have a look. Brilliant. $4.50. Happy days. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you. Lovely. Take care. Come out, Shell. Bye. Bye.
Okay.